Hi, in this tutorial we'll be comparing Forento versus Kajabi, two all-in-one platform designed for creators, coaches, and online educators who want to build digital products, courses, and communities. If you're trying to decide between a simple community-focused creator platform and a premium all-in-one content business system, this tutorial will help you as I'll be breaking down the pros and cons, features and use cases, and pricing of both platforms. I'll also be leaving a link in the description which you can use to sign up to either one of these platforms for completely free. Now let's dive in. To kick things off, what is Forento? Forento is an online course and community platform designed for creators who want to build private communities, paid memberships, and digital courses under one brand. It blends course hosting with built-in discussions, events, and social learning, making it great for coaching, group programs, and community-driven education. And by the way, if you're inquisitive to see how the dashboard would look when you sign up, this is how it is. So from here, you can see that you can create your first course. You can also create downloadables, for example, PDFs or so on. And you can also bundle them and you can sell them as a package. If it is a case that you like to offer membership, you can do that. You can create your membership website. You can also offer community. You can also offer one-on-one sessions, as you can see right here, and events. So this is how the platform looks, and those are some of the features that it offers. Next, what is Kajabi? Kajabi is a premium all-in-one business platform used by top creators and online educators. It gives you everything: courses, coaching, podcast hosting, landing pages, funnels, email marketing, websites, automation, and checkout systems, all built into one single platform. Kajabi is ideal for creators who want maximum power, scalability, and marketing tools. If we were to quickly talk about some key differences when it comes onto both platforms, for example, platform focus. When it comes on to Forento, I would say it is mainly focused on providing a community and courses and membership option for creators, while Kajabi, on the other hand, is a full online business system as it offers courses, funnels, email, automation, and also website. And if we were to quickly break down the features of both platforms, with Forento, you'll be getting courses with modules and lessons, community spaces, memberships and subscriptions, live events and webinars, also affiliate program, multi-instructor support, and branded community hub, and simple payments. With Kajabi, on the other hand, you'll be getting a full course builder, coaching tools, sales funnels, email marketing, website builder, payments and checkout, and also memberships and communities. And they also offer automation workflows, podcast hosting, analytics, upsells, coupons, and more. And if we were to quickly discuss the learning experience on both platforms, for example, with Forento, it offers a strong emphasis on community interaction. It is great for cohort-based learning, and students feel connected through posts and discussions. And it is also simple and clean, as you can see right here. And if we were to go onto Kajabi, on the other hand, Kajabi is more structured and professional, better suited for polished long-form courses, support for drip content, automation, and advanced lesson design, and it offers a more refined student UX. And if we were to look at the pricing of both platforms, with Forento you can get started for completely free, and they'll be taking a 20% sales commission on the free plan. You can go onto their paid plan, which starts off at $19 per month, and with this they won't take a sales commission and you'll get access to all of the features. Or you can go to their most popular plan, which would be for $49, and with this you'll be getting all of the features, but you'll also get the option to add up to 3 admin accounts. And their most expensive plan would be for $149. And keep in mind, Forento is on AppSumo method. So you'll be able to pay one price and you can get a lifetime deal. So for example, if I were to scroll down right here, you can see that when it comes onto Forento, you can pay $44 and you'll be able to use it for a lifetime. Keep in mind, with this $44 plan, they'll be taking a 10% sales commission rate. And if you were to go onto, for example, the $88 plan, they'll still be taking a 10%. So while this one-time payment option is good, I don't believe it is the best offer out there, as they'll be taking a 10% sales commission. So I still believe that it would be best if you stick with the monthly plan. I'll be leaving a link in the description you can use to sign up if you want. When it comes onto Kajabi, on the other hand, their monthly plan begins at $89 and it can go up to $499. And you can see it all depends on the amount of products you're planning to release. So for example, if you want to release 5 products, you would go on the basic plan and you'll be able to add up to 2,500 contacts. On their most expensive plan, you'll be able to add unlimited products and over 100,000 contacts. So it all depends on the amount of products that you're planning to release and the size of your contact list. With this information on hand, which one of these platforms would I recommend you choose? I would recommend you choose Forento if you want a simple, creator-friendly platform and you run a community or membership and prefer a school-style experience with built-in courses and don't want to spend $150 per month, and you focus more on connection and engagement. While on the other hand, I would recommend you go with Kajabi if you want an all-in-one business system and you need websites, funnels, email marketing, and automation and want the most professional, scalable setup and sell multiple digital products, for example, courses, coaching, memberships, and podcasts, and want everything in one dashboard. Forento is better. To wrap it up, I would say Forento is the better choice for creators who want a simple, community-focused platform without the heavy costs. While Kajabi, on the other hand, is the better choice if you want a full online business system with advanced marketing, automations, and polished course building experience. Both platforms are powerful, but it just depends on your budget, your goals, and how complex you want your digital product business to be. If you found this comparison helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.